Okay, so for this one, we need to know the equation for radioactive decay. So this one, you will have to just keep this in your memory as well. So radioactive decay is P is equal to the initial, well, we'll call this A, to the power times the rate, or the rate of the half-life, to the power of time divided by number of years. So once when you get this formula down in your head, all you got to do is just plug all these values in. And I'll just rewrite this so that it makes a little bit more sense. Time divided by number of years. Okay, so the amount that's starting is 800. Yeah, so 800, we know that from 800, so 800. And the half-life, we know that it has a half-life of 50 years, so 1/2 to the power of 50 years. And the time is, we don't know the time yet, so we just put in t. So the equation that closely most models that is C. Okay, and if you got 16 wrong, that probably means that you got 15 wrong as well, so I will have to use this equation for the next one.